Hello students, so today we will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Conjunctions. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 14, Conjunctions. A conjunction is a joining word. It joins words, group of words और sentence. तो conjunction क्या होता है? एक joining word होता है. वो दो words को जोड़ता है, दो group of words को जोड़ता है, दो sentences को जोड़ता है, दो phrases को जोड़ता है. Some conjunctions are, कुछ conjunction होते हैं जैसे कि but, and, or, because, since, so. तो ये सारे हमारे conjunctions होते हैं. For examples, Karan and Karthik, they are in the same class. तो दो words को जोड़ रहे हैं करण और कार्तिक. So in this sentence, and joins two words Karan and Karthik. You can have orange juice or mango juice. अब और से जोड़ रहे हैं, तुम orange juice पीना चाहोगे या फिर mango juice. So in this sentence, or joins two group of words orange juice और mango juice. I will give you the book because you need it. अब यहाँ पे आ गया reason because. In this sentence, because joins two sentences. I will give you the book and you need it. दो sentences को जोड़ रहा है यहाँ. Let's evaluate. Underline the conjunctions. अब इसमें हमें conjunctions को underline करना है. Do you want tea or coffee? तो और. He is poor but honest. But he went home after we had finished the lesson. After. He is good but lazy. But he did not work hard, so he failed. He did not work hard, so he failed. He is clever but lazy. But we will pass if he works hard. If Rohan failed because he did not work hard, because if he goes, I shall stay. So if is Arun your brother or cousin? Now next is join the following sentence by using conjunction. Use the conjunctions given in bracket. अब हमारे पास bracket में जो conjunctions हैं, इन conjunctions को हमें use करके sentences को join करना है. Monica wants to buy chocolate. She has no money. तो हम लिखेंगे Monica wants to buy chocolate, but she has no money. You should go to a doctor. You have a fever. You should go to a doctor because you have a fever. He is old, he is strong. So he is old, but he is strong. Is this question easy? Is this difficult? So is this question easy or difficult? So like this, you have to complete the exercise. Now, next, rewrite the following passage to make it flow smoothly using appropriate conjunctions. अब जैसे इसमें लिखा है मिदास वॉज अ फुलिश किंग, ही वॉज ग्रीडी ऑल्सो. तो यहाँ पे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं मिदास वॉज अ फुलिश किंग and greedy also. He wanted a lot of gold, so he felt himself lucky. Whatever he touched became gold. तो इस तरीके से आपको इसमें कंजंक्शंस को ऐड करके जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है वहाँ पर आप उसको ऐड करेंगे और पैराग्राफ कंप्लीट करेंगे. I hope you all have understood this chapter. You all can go through it and complete the exercise. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.